How to fix bat_pool_header error in Windows. To fix bat_pool_header error in Windows, try 1. Remove recently installed software using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 2. Uninstall recently installed hardware. 3. Disconnect external devices. 4. Disable fast startup feature in control panel. 5. Update device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Perform a clean boot and see if some installed app caused bat_pool_header error. 7. Disable the following drivers. Indem.msc. Display adapters, DVD/CD-ROM drives, sound, video, and game controllers, network adapters, modems, ports and USB devices and controller, if you are not using USB/wireless mouse or keyboard. 8. Back up your data, then reinstall Windows. 9. Run Windows Memory Diagnostics Tool.